today. My name's Eric, and this is my family. I got Monica driving.
Hi.
Ava Grace, and Kyle in the back. And we are heading to a new place to check out called Norske Nook. It's in a town around a half hour south of where we live. It's a Norwegian, Scandinavian place that is famous for their pies. So we're going to be picking up a couple pies to bring home with us. We had to order in advance because they just can't keep them in stock. They're very popular.
Blue ribbon pies from like the state of Florida. They enter competition every year, and they've won they brought home blue ribbons several years in a row now. So.
Yeah, and yesterday was Mother's Day, so we're kind of celebrating today. That's why we're going out there and kind of thinking of my mom too, who was Danish, kind of celebrating that Scandinavian heritage. So we're really looking forward to that. So stick around, guys. We're going to drive over there. We're going to check it out, tell you what we think. To check out all the different pies that they offer. Oh my goodness. They got seasonal pies too. They have 3 locations. We're at this one here in Osseo. They have one in Rice Lake and one in the Forest. And then these are retired pies that they've had, and I guess they bring back periodically discontinued pies. Boy, oh boy. All right, this is a Denver, what do they call it?
Denver.
Lenski?
Lufska.
With hollandaise and hash browns. Lufska, okay.
No, ska.
Okay, Lufska.
Oh, not ska.
Also got some potato pancakes.
Here you go.
Thank you.
You're welcome. It's too pretty to touch. It looks so good.
Norwegian pancakes with lingonberries. Lingonberry.
And you're half Danish.
And what did you get?
I got the corned beef, what is it, corned beef wrap? So it has corned beef hash, scrambled eggs.
Corned beef hash wrap.
And then it's in lefse, topped with hollandaise.
Okay, and then Kyle couldn't resist the Norwegian pancakes. And then we got some potato pancakes with applesauce and syrup to try as well.
Yeah.
Man, this stuff's looking good, guys. Give it a sample, just a second. All right, guys, try a piece on camera. Tell us what you think of your Norwegian pancakes with lingonberry.
All right.
Mm-hmm. Good? Mm-hmm. Yeah, looks good. Mm-hmm. All right, Mom, try your
I've already tried it.
corned beef hash wrap.
Yeah, it's got eggs, corned beef hash, bacon, and a lefse with hollandaise. Look at that. Oh, and Swiss cheese in it too.
Yeah. How is it? All right.
It's good.
All right, let me get this a sample here. Mushrooms, ham, onion. Hash browns in there too with that hollandaise. Very, very good. Mm-hmm.
Show the camera.
Well, I don't.
Oh yeah.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, that wrap, that potato base.
Lefse.
I can't pronounce it right.
Lefse. Lefse.
Very good. It's kind of like a Norwegian burrito. Breakfast burrito for me. Very good, guys. Definitely recommend it. All right, so we're back home now. Of course, we had to pick up a couple pies because the Norske Nook is famous for their pies. So let's take a look here and open them up. We have one here. I don't even know which is which. Okay. This is the chocolate mint pie. This was their specialty pie for this month. I love chocolate mint.
It has like chopped up Andes mints on top.
Oh, here it goes.
Well, that's cool.
Got a little bit of the frosting on the top. Okay.
Frosting, whipped cream.
Whip. Well, it's like, yeah, I guess. Yeah. And then Monica's favorite. We had to get that for Mother's Day where I could see the graham cracker crust.
My favorite is banana cream.
Banana cream pie. So let's get these out and we'll get a slice and the family will tell you what we think. All right, here they are. Banana cream. We're just gonna take a little slice of each pie for us to sample for you guys on camera.
Trying to get all the
These just came out of the fridge, so they're probably a little cold, and we want to be careful. We're gonna have bigger pieces later, but we just wanted to give this a sample. Oh, jeez. All right.
So there's
There we
one.
go.
Okay.
Oh, look at the graham cracker in there. Okay. Maybe just slice a bigger one, and then we can slice that into 2 pieces or 3 pieces.
It's gonna be a mess.
Well, it's pie eating season, so it's gonna be a mess.
True.
Oh boy, this looks good. They also have lemon meringue pies. They had all kinds of cool pies. Man,
Strawberry rhubarb is one of the ones they have right now.
the people sitting next to us ordered a strawberry cream cheese pie that looked really good.
And they have a lemon cream cheese and a lingonberry sour
And there was
cream.
a lot of people coming in there who weren't eating. They just came in specifically for the pie.
Oh my gosh, look at that.
Oh.
Okay.
All right. We'll slice.
Holy
Anyway,
moly.
guys, we'll slice this up. We'll come back in a minute. All right, here we are with the mint chip. I love mint chip, so I said we have to get this, but we couldn't pass up getting the banana cream because that's Monica's favorite. So I like the little mints on top. That's a good thing to put on there. Good final touch. Oh boy.
Oh boy.
I guess it wouldn't hurt putting that in the freezer for a few minutes just to kind of stiffen things up.
You could. This is gonna be a mess.
Well, so be it. It'll be a good mess. It doesn't have to look perfect. Well, let's see. All right. We'll go ahead and get these dished out. Be back in a second with the whole family. Give this a taste. All right. Just to show you guys the inside with the graham cracker crust there. And this is the chocolate mint. All right. Let's give this a sample. I can't wait. All right, welcome back. I'm here with my whole family, my wife Monica, my daughter Ava Grace, my son Kyle.
Hello.
All right, which one do you guys want to try first? That's a hard
Doesn't
one.
matter, you choose. It's hard, I don't
All right,
know.
let's try the banana cream.
Okay,
All right.
all right.
All right,
Banana
Norske Nook banana cream pie. All right, you ready?
Try it out.
All right, guys.
Okay.
Cheers to some homemade pie.
Looks good. Oh wow. This is really good.
All right.
Wow.
I'm used to, the only reference I have really back in California was Marie Callender's.
This is way better.
This is way better.
Way better.
This tastes more fresh too.
Oh my gosh, and the crust. The pie crust is delicious. They make everything from scratch.
Well, while we were sitting there, I was kind of looking at where the cash register was, and they had I should have taken more pictures and videos. But people were coming in and out just to grab pies. And these 2 pies we had to order in advance.
Like 2 days ahead of time.
Because they sell out of a lot of stuff. So if you don't call them like 48 hours and say, hey, I'll be there, whatever, Wednesday, and I want one of these pies to pick up, you might show up and they might not have it. So, all right. You ready for the next one? Chocolate mint. Make sure you clean off your fork off.
Your spoon.
All right, this one I've been really looking forward to because I like chocolate mint.
I'm not a big chocolate fan, but I'm gonna give it a try.
Looks like it's got like the Andes on there.
It's got the Andes, and the crust on the bottom is like, what would you call that? Chocolate? Like a chocolate?
It's a chocolate crust.
Graham crust almost.
Yeah.
All right, let's go.
That's good too. It's very minty.
Oh, I think I like that one more.
Well, I expected you would, because this is like your favorite. Whenever you get like ice cream or something, it's always like mint chip.
Wow. I'm surprised how good this
The
tastes.
thing about the chocolate one is that it doesn't hold together as well as the banana cream pie, because the banana cream pie is the graham cracker.
Yeah, probably.
It's definitely sweeter than the banana cream pie.
Oh, it is sweeter.
Oh my goodness, I'm gonna go into sugar coma.
Mm.
I
All
couldn't
right.
eat a lot of that.
Well, here's the big question. Which one does everyone like best?
Banana cream.
Banana cream.
Taylor?
I'm probably gonna say the mint chocolate one.
Oh, two versus two.
Okay. The banana cream's not as sweet.
They're both good.
Yeah, you're right. The banana
They're both
cream.
pretty good.
But you know, when I'm having a piece of pie, I want a little sweetness, but I can overdose on sweet really quick and easy. I have a pretty low tolerance. But when I have a sweet tooth, usually late at night, a slice of this pie would definitely hit the spot. All right, next let's talk about the restaurant experience overall. How did you guys like the food?
It was good.
I didn't get anything sweet, so, and I love like corned beef hash and corned beef anything. So, and I love hollandaise sauce. So for me, that was a 10 out of 10, and it was a very unique experience because it was with lefse. So I say for me it was a 10 out of 10. I really liked it.
Okay. What do you think, Kyle?
I think that the quality is very good, but it's definitely different and it was unique. I probably, in hindsight, knowing that we're gonna have pie, probably shouldn't have gotten something sweet. But I'd say it's probably like maybe a 7 or an 8.
All right, now you complained that you let me have a taste. Actually, I tasted Ava Grace. They both had the same thing. And the Norwegian pancake isn't like a normal American pancake where it's kind of spongy. It's a little, I don't know, because it's
Doughy.
I don't know.
Rubbery.
Not rubbery, but it's just a flavor and the texture was a little different. I'm not quite sure what it's made of.
I didn't mind it though. I like
It
it.
tasted fine, but
In their defense, I'm just not used to it that way.
Yeah. I was gonna say I liked it.
and the
texture
lingonberry
didn't bother me.
sauce. Haven't had lingonberry since going to IKEA back in California, so I like lingonberry. So
And they were fresh.
and my meal was very good too, very unique. I like the hollandaise sauce. It was more like a Denver omelet wrapped up in that. What do you call it again?
In the lefse.
Lefka, which is kind of like a potato.
Lefse.
Lefka.
Lefse.
Lefse. Kind of like a potato-based crepe or
When you laughing at
tortilla, or whatever you want. It was good. But, yeah, you know, I would probably give it an 8 out of 10 just for its uniqueness. Next time I'd probably order something a little different. I just wanted to try that because it was one of their specialties that they featured there. But they had a country fried steak and gravy that I really wanted to try. And they have like a hot roast beef open face sandwich with gravy, or they have a meatball sandwich. Or what was the other one? Turkey? I don't know. But
turkey.
Turkey. That looked really good too. So
You can think of it, by the way, the left side can think of it like, oh no, I left some pie in the oven.
There you go. Oh my gosh.
Kyle, you're funny.
anyway, guys, I appreciate you watching the video. If you're in the Wisconsin area and you know where there's a Norske Nook, go check it out. And definitely, I would highly recommend the pies. I think we all can agree that the pies are probably the highlight of the place, and that's why they're famous, and that's why people go there just to get the pies.
Yeah.
As always, again, thanks for watching. I'm not wearing my normal logo shirt today, but click the logo on the bottom of the screen. It allows you to subscribe to my channel. Please do that because it helps my channel grow. And I'll leave a link above and below to my website, ericsmokingbbq.com. That's where I feature all my recipe videos. This was a little bit different. This was just a review of a local restaurant in Wisconsin. And to celebrate Mother's Day.
Well, thank you.
From Monica.
Yeah, it was really good, and
Yeah.
we had a great time walking around before.
Yeah, driving through the Wisconsin countryside.
It was
we haven't
really-
gone down south of where we lived on the highway. It was, once we get like 2-3 miles from where we live,
It's just nothing.
We're
It's
kinda-
Amish country.
we're out. Yeah, we saw a lot of Amish people and horses and cows.
Well,
and-
we live in Amish country.
Yeah, I mean, I forget that so much because I normally get off the main freeway and
It's because he's usually at work when the Amish buggies are going by our house and our dog's going crazy. I don't forget it.
Again, guys, I appreciate you stopping by. Go check out my YouTube channel, subscribe. We'll see you next time.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye.